So I've made the mirivo into a thick paste, as you can see, and I'll let it sort of like boil a bit for maybe 5-10 minutes. I'll just close that up, and in here I put in all the meat, just boiling a little bit. Then I'll sort of like lightly fry them. So I'll add a bit of cooking oil whilst I prepare the vegetables. I have all my ingredients ready on the vegetable side: cut tomatoes, bit of cut carrots, peas, pepper and green beans, and the leaf vegetable. Sadza is now done. I'll just put the stove on low, let it simmer for a few minutes, then it will be ready to serve once everything else is done. Frying the vegetables now. So the leaf vegetables are nice, still green to preserve the vitamins. The sadza is nice and done. And my soup, the combination of the vegetables, carrots, pepper, peas, green beans and tomatoes, nicely boiled. So now I'm taking my fried meat and adding it to the soup, and then my meal will be done. So there you go, sadza, leaf vegetables, assortment of vegetables, and some chicken parts, your feet, your gizzards and your intestines. Nice made Zimbabwean type of meal. Thank you.